Poco Pop Buds to launch as rebranded Redmi AirDots 3 Pro. Alongside the Redmi Note 10 5G series, Xiaomi recently launched the AirDots 3 Pro under its Redmi brand in China. Now, the company is apparently aiming to launch its first TWS earbuds with active noise cancellation (ANC) to other markets under its Redmi brand as well as the Poco branding. Yeah, the much-awaited Poco Pop Buds may finally see the light of day. Tipster Mukul Sharma aka Stuff Listings recently shared a tweet hinting at the upcoming Poco Pop Buds. In his tweet, Sharma mentions spotting the Poco Pop Buds and also the Redmi Buds 3 Pro, both of which are rebranded Redmi AirDots 3 Pro, on the Bluetooth SIG certification website. As per the Bluetooth listing, the Redmi AirDots 3 Pro with model number TWSEJ01ZM will launch as Poco Pop Buds in some markets. These new truly wireless earbuds come with features like active noise cancellation (ANC), 7.2mm drivers, and more. Poco Pop Buds, specs and features expected. Since the Poco Pop Buds are expected to be a rebranded version of Redmi AirDots 3 Pro, we already know most of its specifications. The earbuds feature 9mm drivers and have a low latency of 69 milliseconds over Bluetooth 5.2 when gaming mode is turned on. The battery life is pretty impressive as a single charge gives you at least 6 hours of usage. And, with the charging case, it can go up to 28 hours of total usage. It also supports fast charging that should give you 3 hours of playback time with just 10 minutes of charge. In addition to this, the buds come with a dedicated super low latency gaming mode. Poco had earlier confirmed that they were working on its first truly wireless earbuds, but we haven't heard much from the company. Poco India country manager Anuj Sharma just recently revealed that the pandemic is partially responsible for the delay. Sharma added that there are multiple other challenges to keep in mind like the weather conditions, ear type, and more. We don't have any leads on the price yet. However, we do know that the Redmi AirDots 3 Pro is priced at 299 Chinese yuan (3,400 rupees). So, we can expect it to be priced similarly in other markets as well.